Hey, what's going on, guys? Let's do this problem right here. Here this question is asking a force of 8 pounds compresses a 14-inch spring, a total of 5 inches. How much work is done in compressing the spring from a length of 12 inches to a length of 10 inches? Now in this kind of problems, we always require spring constant, right? And here it's not provided. So what we do is we take the first information and calculate spring constant. That's the first step. Now if you look at this one, to find spring constant we have to use Hooke's law. That is F is equal to Kx. Here F is force and K is spring constant and X is stretch. They have provided the force right here, that's 8 pounds. So that's 8 right here, 8 pounds, and then K is spring constant. That's what we are trying to find, because in order to calculate work we need spring constant. K and stretched length, here it's 5 inches, because they have mentioned that compresses a 14-inch spring to a total of 5 inches. So 5 inches the compressed length. So that's the one we are going to use to calculate this spring constant. Now this is 5 inch. To calculate this one we just have to rearrange this equation. So this is going to be just 8 pounds divided by 5 inches, and that's it. Now we can go ahead and find our work. To find the work we use this equation, that's work is equal to integration a to b f of x dx, and since we are dealing with spring system, the f of x is going to be kx, so this is going to be kx dx. Now first we need to know the limits of integration, and if you read this one, so compressing the spring from a length of 12 inches to a length of 10 inches. Now from the previous we know that 14 inches is the maximum length, right? So we are compressing that one. Now we have to look at this one from this inches, right? So from 12 inches mean this is compressed 2 inches already, and 10 inches mean it's going 4 inches. So this limits of integration is going to go from 2 inches to 4 inches, right? So this is work is equal to 2 inches to 4 inches, and we know the spring constant already, so we can plug that one right here. This is going to be 8 over 5 x dx, and if we integrate this one, this is going to give us 8 over 5 x squared divided by 2, and that's going from 2 to 4. Now we can combine these two together. That's going to give us 8 over 10, and instead of x squared we are going to plug the upper limits of integration. That's going to be 4, so 4 squared is going to be 16. So this is going to be 16 right here, and then 2 squared, that's going to give us 4, so this is going to be just 4. And if you simplify this one, this is going to give us 8 over 10 times 16 minus 4, that's going to give us 12. And 12 times 8 is what? 12 times 5 is 60, 12 times 6 is 72, 8 is 84, 96. So 96 divided by 10, that's going to give us 9.6, and this is going to be in inch pounds, right? Inch pounds. And that's going to be our final answer. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.